Justin Baez, WRP 0207, Section 159. Today we are tasked to talk about something that brings us joy and happiness. So, good day everyone. I hope you are all doing well today. For this activity, I want to talk about something that I have been passionate about for a long time, and that is volleyball. Let me talk about volleyball while folding my clothes kasi sabi dun sa maging creative daw. So, I am being creative and being proactive. So, to start, I started playing volleyball when I was in high school. Grade 8 yon to be exact. So, inano lang ako nun, parang sinali lang nila ako nun dahil matangkad ako. Sabi, Justine, gusto mo bang mag-volleyball? Sali ka sa team namin kasi kulang pa kami. So, pinasali naman ako. And eventually, ever since then, it has truly become a part of who I am at first. I just played it for fun. I remember joining friendly games with classmates. And I didn't even know uh, all the rules back then. But over time, I started to love the sport deeply. I was just about na it wasn't just about losing or winning. It was about the feeling of excitement every time I stepped on the court, the sound of the ball hitting the floor, and the joy of playing as a team. And as years went by, volleyball became my comfort zone. It is truly my comfort zone, like the intensity, the thrill, yung kaba na nararamdaman sa court, the emotions. It it's I guess it's where I can release stress, um, and also express myself and build friendship. It taught me discipline and patience, like waking up early for training, practicing even when I was tired, and learning how to handle losses. It also taught me teamwork and communication because in volleyball, no one can play alone. Every point depends on trust and coordination. So, especially, yun nga, just to share din na during my high school, I tried playing volleyball. Like, every day, I'm nagtitraining ako. Every day, I see myself improving. And that's a different kind of self, um, self-fulfillment. Grabe yung saya na nakikita ko whenever I see myself improving na hindi na ganito yung laro ko before. So, yeah. And another thing that gave me fulfillment is when I reached certain district meets, school meets na palarong pambansa, ganyan. I'm so happy nung naabot ko yung palarong pambansa, like National Prisa Games. Like, volleyball brought me to different places that hindi ko inakalang mapupuntahan ko. And for me to go there, magko-compete for the sport that I love, brings me joy and fulfillment, and also the experiences that I have learned. And yes, as years went by, um, eventually I entered college. I thought it would be difficult to keep playing because of my busy schedule. Yeah, pero talagang sinisingit ko talaga ang mag-volleyball kasi nga, you know how hectic college life can be. This is actually my jersey for political science. I'm the captain of the political science. So, how hectic college life can be. So, with other classes, other requirements, and no, especially now may thesis na kami. So, between all of that, talaga naisisiksik ko pa rin talaga maglaro. I would go straight to practice after class, stay late, or just to squeeze in a game. Volleyball became my stress reliever talaga. Whenever I'm on the court, I forget about the deadlines, I forget all the worries, I just focus on the game and the people I'm playing with. So, ang ultimate dream ko talaga is maging varsity ng FEUs, pero life has other plans. Naging player na lang ako ng IAS. Pero I'm proud to be representing my institute, uh, Institute of Arts and Sciences. We won a championship already, and dalawang and dalawang first place, and hopefully for my last year as an athlete of the Institute of Arts and Sciences, I hope we can get another championship. So to sum it up, volleyball has been a very, very big part of my life. Most of the happy memories I got is when I'm playing volleyball with my teammates. Um, and honestly, it helped me shape who I am today, and I'm truly grateful for that. Even if I didn't become a UAP athlete, I'm now still living my dream in my own way, playing the sport I love, and eventually thriving in life. And that brings me joy, and that brings me peace. Yan lang. Thank you, ma'am, for listening.